Ladies and gentlemen, May 19th. We're about to begin. I guess you'd call this a semifinal. This is our single elimination tournament. So first round, we have the Blizz versus the Knightmare. Then we got the other two guys, the Pack, the Cryptids. They've all been hot, they've all been not lately, but this is kind of where it counts. So May 19th, here's round one. Over the bodies here we have different pretty sicker from the inputs. Is this a playoff dye job?
Oh yeah.
I love that.
Also, it'll come in handy this week.
Not too bad, not too bad. You guys missing anybody, Jake?
Darren and Josh King.
And Darren and who? Josh who?
Josh King.
Oh, okay. Yeah, big bodies. Okay.
Yeah.
You guys can win without Darren. Yeah, you guys can win without
We
King.
can be alright,
Yeah.
But it's nice to have both of them.
It's nice to have both of them, especially for a playoff, eh?
Yeah, sure.
Good luck out there. All right, here we are. We're going to have 13 minutes on the clock. Bring you center ice here. Back to the first period here. So Chip Bowling at the Blizz. There's a player missing Darren Treats, number 2, and Josh King. Also quite a force on the back end. Power play, PK, really anytime. That's when you want Josh King. Same thing with Darren. Darren's an elite scorer at this level, so we'll see what happens. This is the Knightmare have a really good chance. Is he playing forward? Heck no. There's the Lion. Here's Howell. And there's Ben on the far side. We're underway. Boiling carries it even a bit. Pulls it up, buys some time, back to Sullivan in the corner. What's up, Harm? Ooh, nice job by Frankie. Hare has hit the blue line. Nice rip. I didn't know we had that. Frankie with the garbage goal. That's how we do it. That puts the Blues up 1-0. Just over 10 minutes to play.
Let's go, Frank.
Oh, cool. We got stop clock, too. Attaboy, Frankie. We got stop clock today. Look at that.
It's been a long night.
Are there 3 games or 4 games? Do you know? I was curious about that. Like, is there going to be a loser bracket game or something? Yeah, that's how my map was coming out. Now this will be a cool night. What a neat format. Oh shit, Sunstrom gets right around him. How you been doing, Justin? Good. Really was, man, and he can blast it too. Edenburn. Oh, nice little poke by Jordan. Beautiful angle played. There's Rose with the ball. Gonna get a shot? Not quite. Nice little stick play there. Yeah, prevented the shot. I haven't been asked. I'm not sure. It's a Tuesday night, and I've been playing in a disc golf league, so I wasn't planning on being around. Oh, did ya? Oh, cool. That's hilarious. Did she have a good time with it? There's that Paramount school close to our house. A couple, yeah. There's that little like walking trail around, so they kind of evolved with that. No, it's actually I like there's I'd say 3 or 4 new holes, and I kind of like them.
1 and 2 are over on by the tennis courts.
Yeah, so let's see. The old hole 1 is the current hole 3, I think.
I saw a couple of the signs were crossed out and said, "Oh, new hole."
Yep. Yeah, I've been playing a lot. Anytime you want to throw, if you got the energy. I love how free it is. So there's a new course over at the VFW over by Fort Bend, and it's got some like crazy elevation changes, and it's got like little streams and shit. It's wild.
Brookside's like I think hole 3, it's along the road and it kind of curves up.
Yep. No, that's a hard one, man. Well, and it's a par 4, plus it has that big bend. It's insane. It's a tough hole, for sure.
It's off! Ball.
Yeah, I met one dude, his name's Chris. He's pretty local. He lives in, East Side or near the, good save attempt. He lives real near Brookside, and I've been playing with him. Look at him. That guy Nestor's a pretty good player. 22 for the Knightmare defenseman. Justin, I would like to see you guys in the championship. You certainly have a chance. You've got a very solid chance. Hit the side of the net. Dang. Got some bodies thumping on the boards tonight. It is gonna get out of zone. Ooh, nice pick there by Frank. Brings it wide. If he could have cut that different, he had the goalie faked. I think he tried to shoot right. If he would have faked right and shot left, he would have had him easy. What do you think, Justin?
I think so.
Shoot, man, he had a really good look though.
Landing on his hip, I think.
He faked the hell out of him, and yeah, I think he like screwed up his own ankles or something. I'm terrible at breakaways. I'm lucky if I get a shot off. That's always a success. Boom! Right off the draw. I thought that went in, dude. I seriously saw. I would love to watch that back on video. I think that hit maybe the outer part of the skirt. What do they call that? That white part on the outside of the back of the net? I don't know what the fuck you would call that. If it's on a bed, it's a skirt. But I don't know what the fuck you call it here. But yeah. I swear to God I saw that move. So that means he was pretty darn close. Good dump. Good hustle by Kirk. Nice rip. Nope. That was batted out of the air. Maybe a little high. That's why you hear the rumbles, I think. No icing. Decker comes back for it. Everybody goes for a change. Bowling. Look at that forecheck out of Bowling. Yeah, just a little bit before that red line, bud. Zach trying to tell him it was a high stick. It's like, that's your teammate, bud. But yeah, I think that probably was. It was above the waist. Isn't that the determining factor? Or is it the crossbar?
Shoulders.
Is it shoulders? I always thought it was like crossbar, yeah. All right, flipped out of zone, probably an icing. Another face-off. Just over 3.5 minutes left to play here in the first.
Anybody can win this too.
I know, dude. That's what's gonna be fun about tonight. Because different teams have been hot. I feel like the Blizz kind of like sat back last week a little bit because
they're missing some people too.
They were missing Darren, and I guess tonight they're missing. I was talking to Jake Bowling. He said they're missing Darren and Josh King tonight. So probably they're two of their better. Obviously, Darren's got to be their number one scorer. Has to be. If not spiritually. Oh, that is still in. That's still in. And he says no shot. Nice. Torres putting on the pressure. Nama's heading into the zone. Pulls up. Ooh, still in the zone. Nice idea. That worked out. Edenberg puts on a hard shot. Frankie into the corner. And he's going to get his butt back in front of the net. And Kirk is fast. See that fast on blades, Justin?
Yeah.
Kirk?
I I played with him. We played with him in high school.
I know you did. Yeah, I've never seen him skate though.
He's good. Yeah,
I could only imagine. Yeah, I bet he is good.
our Lawrence team was really good.
Dude, for sure. You guys had a solid ass team. I'm not sure if I got over the red line, but it doesn't really matter. We took it in anyway. Nice little pass back attempt over to Telvito. No, still. That was close. I think it went over, didn't it?
No, it didn't.
It did not.
We had Brandon Keel.
Yo, yeah, Keel's dope.
He was our defenseman. He will not play ball hockey. He does not want to do it.
I get it.
But he would be a beast.
Especially if you're like playing ice hockey on the reg. Yeah, like it's way easier on your body, I think. Oh, nice shot. Here comes Ballard. I haven't seen this guy for a couple weeks. No Kowski trying to get Rose. It's a quick shot on there, huh? How's work been? The same, better, worse? Any changes?
Mondays are always busy because we're closed on Sundays. So
I could see that. Yeah, it just kind of builds up. All right, end of the first period.
Other than that, we're good, yeah.
Yeah, awesome.
Next Tuesday after Memorial Day will be.
Yeah.
That'll be Sunday, Monday, Tuesdays. Oof.
So do you like instantly catch up that day? It's just like one day, and then you're back, and then it's back to the norm. Okay.
Everything that day, back to normal the next.
Hey. Who scored their goal? I can't remember. Yeah, Frankie did. That's right. Frankie's showing up in the playoffs. That's all I got to say about that.
What was that in high school, Frankie?
All right, we got hair. I still don't know this guy's last name because I can't read his last name through all the hair, which I think is kind of dope. I know it starts with H-A. We're about to begin second period of action. Yeah. Game one of the single elimination semi-final round. 1-0 Blues score. Off the strength of Frank Telvito's goal. Lemus does a weird little around the back stick play. Look at the ref getting up there. Beautiful. Everybody's trying to make this play as soon as possible. Zach Betts including. Nice little pull up over there. Use Polimas. Polimas rocking a new playoff hairstyle today. So he's going to get a shot. No, look at the centering pass. Oh, he puts it out there. Over to Hal. Hal gets it. Pursued by Silverman. Silverman comes out with a nice play. Fires it over Polimas. No icing on the play. Ben Sauer is able to get it over the line. Oh, nice shot by Polimas. Save. There's the ball. Sauers. We have an icing. Sauers trying to make it interesting. Face up there on the far side. Yeah, it's wide. Rebounded by Torres. All the way down. deflected, no score yet. On the play at least. 2-0 Blizzard lead on Frank Calvito's 2 goals. Zachary. Still offside. Nice move, 11, gets a shot, gets another. Over to Calvito. Frankie, oh, I thought he was going to make it 3. Nice hustle there by Nowakowski. Still in the zone. Yep. There's everyone. Rose has it, gets a shot. Go by the defense.
Make a fucking call!
That was really asking for that call. Blizzard lead. Second intermission.
talking.
Goal, 3-0. Imagine that when it's playoffs, players turn into Neanderthals. No more people whining today. That's having a little chat, yeah. We have a power play, there's no ice in here. At least not for the Knightmare. Or, sorry, the Blues. Blizzard is sitting here by one man. That is insane. Playing all the way down, no icing on the power play. Stolen by Telvito. Protected. Nice penalty kill. Powell gives it right back to Telvito. Dumps it deep. Almost gets a shot on it. Deflected by Boylan. Yes, they're trying to ditch Boylan. Can't quite do it. Nice pass to Polinas. Rips it. Looks for the corner. Scott Bowman, is it going to cross? No. Back to the point man. Lyon deflected out of play, hits the net. Still 3-0 lead for the Blizz. 6 minutes remaining in regulation. This is round 1. The semifinal. If the Blizz win this one, they're going to advance, and they're going to play the winners, the Cryptids and Packers. Still a little time, but it is ticking down for the night. In my opinion, they really needed to get one during that power play when Stillman was in the box. That was the opportunity to at least get one. whistle behind the play. Set John Edenburn down. Appears to be from this angle. Hatter's with him. I'll keep pointing the camera. Catch the far side route. I see. Goes for a timeout from Sunstone. Icing. Face up, we'll be back here. Score 3-0. He's kind of upset that Stillman took that last shot when his team was up by 3 goals. Yeah, kind of unnecessary. Signing off.